Hello and welcome to Anglo Legal. My name is John. I'm a British and international lawyer, backed up by in-house Thai lawyers, barristers, accountants and consultants. I'm the Client Affairs Manager for Anglo Legal, and my job is quite simply to convey your instructions and needs to the lawyers and their advice back to you. Now today I'm here to again talk about the expanding role and the crackdown of nominee companies. I put out a few videos on this recently because it is a very big topic and it's affecting a lot of people within Thailand. Now, traditionally over the years, a lot of accountancy firms, a lot of agencies and a lot of law firms have recommended structures of opening a Thai company and holding land. Thankfully, we do not do that and we never have. These law firms and accountancy firms and agencies are now coming unstuck. As you will have seen over the past week, the Prime Minister himself has visited islands such as Koh Phangan and so forth. Due to that, there's been a huge crackdown on the island where the Department of Business Development, the Land Office, Immigration, DSI Police and so forth have been cracking down on these so-called companies. Now, over the past few days, it's been identified, and they haven't investigated all of them yet, but they have identified 3,754 companies on the islands, of which 2,381 have foreign directorship and ownership. Now, many of these have been facilitated through legal and accounting firms where their directors and staff are on hundreds of different companies. These law firms and accountancy firms have now been investigated, they've been visited, they've had property seized, and most importantly, there's been a huge amount of companies and land titles seized. 37 land titles have been seized on Koh Phangan alone in the past few days for villas and land in foreign ownership illegally through nominee companies worth hundreds of millions of Thai Baht. Now, these people, whether it's foreign nationals or the Thais facilitating this, now face severe legal consequences, especially criminally. It goes against everything that the laws and legislation stand for. The land will have forced sale or will be seized and lost. Potentially, the overseas nationals will face a loss of tens, if not hundreds of millions of Thai baht. They will face criminal proceedings, potential deportation, and quite possibly blacklisting. For the companies involved, they face severe penalties, fines, prison time, loss of licenses, etc. Now, I know we've all heard this before, and many people will say, it's Thailand, it's a phase, these things happen. Traditionally, these things were accepted, and it was, in places, standard procedure. It was a workaround for many people, but it has never been legal and it has never been law. Now, the crackdown is focusing on this. Not just because of this, because of general behaviour of foreign nationals living, working, residing in Thailand, whether they're tourists, whether they're expats, whether they're business people, here lawfully or not. Nationwide, we're seeing sweeping operations through various parts of the country, targeting foreign nationals, their work permits, their businesses, their land ownership, and so forth. This is spreading. This is not just on Koh Phangan. It's not just in Chiang Mai. It's not just in Phuket. It's in Pattaya. It's happening right now. We've been visited by people who have had visits to their firms and visits to their properties and are now under investigation because years ago they were advised to set up and do X, Y, and Z. So the crackdown is coming. This is a very, very important area for expats living and working in Thailand, or even if you're retired. If you're holding property under a Thai company scheme with Thai nominees that you have no ties to, you are now severely at risk. Now, this is not meant to frighten. This is not meant to scaremonger. This is not meant to drive business to us. This is us telling you this is happening. Now it's time for you to get your affairs in order. Whether you come to us and speak to our dedicated team or go to other firms anywhere in the country, that is your individual choice. But don't delay, because someday the boys in brown are going to come knocking on your door. This is a public service announcement. If you think your company is wrong, if you think your land ownership is wrong, talk to experts, talk to professionals. Time is coming and the net is closing. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news yet again, but it's important that you, our clients, and members of the public fully understand what's going on and can take the appropriate action to stop assets being lost and to comply legally with everything in Thailand. For all of your legal needs, should you need us, we're here just by Big C Pattaya Thai. Pop in and speak to the team or drop us an email. Thank you for watching. Give this a share on Facebook, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and do the same on YouTube. It allows the word to go out to many, many people who may be in the same position as a lot of our clients at the moment. Thanks for watching and keep updated.